Here's a quick rundown on what I did. I bought a one-axis gimbal, cheap, 20 bucks off of Amazon. This is it here. And then I wanted it to be able to mount to any controller, transmitter, whatever the fuck you want to call it. So I took a phone mount bracket, piece of aluminum, mounted it in that piece of aluminum, and then drilled a hole and mounted the gimbal on there. So let me give you a quick shot of the phone bracket, and I just put a Velcro strap around it there, and this thing just screws on here, right, the gimbal, and then folds right up nice and tight. You can do it handheld, you can do it on the controller, you can put it on any controller. You know, take your pick, any controller. Works good, works cheap. That's me to a T. Hope you dig it. Out. Alright. First use of my controller mounted gimbal here. Little V100 Vatera C10 action. So it looks a little bit smoother than my usual jerky stuff. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Burnouts.